Hello everyone. In this video, we will show how to uninstall OneDrive from a Windows 11 computer. Let's start by checking if OneDrive is running in the background. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen. This is the taskbar. If you see a cloud icon, OneDrive is active. If you do not see it, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. If the cloud icon is there, right-click on it. A menu will appear. Click on Settings. In the window that opens, go to the Account tab. Then click on Unlink this PC. A confirmation box will appear. Click Unlink Account. This will stop syncing your files before uninstalling the app. Now close the OneDrive window. Next, we will uninstall OneDrive from the system. Go to the Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen. In the search bar, type Add or Remove Programs. Click on the result when it appears. You will now see a list of all the apps installed on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Click on Microsoft OneDrive. A button will appear that says Uninstall. Click on it. A confirmation window may pop up. If it does, click Uninstall again. Windows will now remove OneDrive from your computer. The process might take a few seconds. After the uninstall is complete, the OneDrive app will no longer be available on your system. You will also stop receiving sync messages from it. Please note that uninstalling OneDrive does not delete any of your files that are already stored in the OneDrive cloud. You can still access them by going to a web browser and visiting onedrive.live.com. Then log in using your Microsoft account. Thanks for watching.